Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a tank that contains 2 pound mass of argon gas at a pressure of 201 psia and a temperature of 101 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the volume of the tank? Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the volume formula. Step 4, find the argon gas constant, which is R. So it is equal to 0.2886 psi foot cube per pound mass Rankine. The most common question by students is how come there is this R and then there is another R. So I fully spelled out what this R represents. This R is Rankine, as you can see, and this is the unit, this is the value. They are not the same. That's why I spelled it out fully so students don't get confused. Alright, step 5, find the volume. We just plug and play. So we plug in everything, so everything is given, and the gas constant is what we've just found in the previous step. So make sure your temperature is absolute because we are assuming ideal gas conditions. Okay. And if it was not obvious, this is one of the ideal gas formulas. Alright. So your volume is 1.61 foot cubed. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I do encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button in Snipping Tool. Wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.